Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I told you that Nigerian government, through their telecommunication system, are disturbing or disrupting internet connection in protest locations or sites. This is us walking from Oka to Okuzu, Negodi Kozo the Beacon. Is this not enough reason to call Willie Obiano, Buruburu, federal government, all of them to go to hell? Look at the roads. This is another reason to protest. Look at the long vehicles. We are going to Okuzu. You know, problem when nobody have brought us. Now I couple us. I tell you, Willie Obiano, Buruburu, honey. They're gonna have for people on ata. This is Nigeria. This is Anambra of all places. They're gonna bring our money now, and you want me to be happy? Now, people in Anambra State, a place as wealthy as Anambra. You see, no road. People are stopped. No road. It's not motorable. It's not trackable. It's not leggable. This is Anambra State. God forbid. It can 4,000. So you guys will see what we are passing through here. One day, how far now? One day. Then Anambra State because Anambra. If I know Bastelo do Auche Kunufe, Willie Obiano, Hanine, Andy Oba, and Zuzuari Anambra, a Sigonia Gale project 2021. This is Anambra State. Somebody say, on your mic. Now, cheat on your speaker, don't you? Man, the first, no, good with the go, so. No, man. One, the my people, not as well. You see why we are not happy? Why we are not happy? Ndị na-alụrụ ụzọ ọkụ ka a ga-enye unu ọ ga-akwụ unu ụgwọ na unu dị unemployed. Negodi Nigeria biko Nigeria elego nwanne. N'enu ụzọ dị na Anambra State. Negodi. And people are suffering. Negodi ụzọ nwanne n'enu ukwu m nwa bụ odogwu n'enu ukwu m. N'enu na ụmụ ọmọsọ ịsọjụ ya asị na achị ịpịasa Nigeria. Na Nigeria end kwa ahụ. Ife abụrụ emecha SARS onye ọbụla na. Somebody said if federal road, Anambra and Enugu when you represent for the Senate. Anambra and Enugu have people in state and federal assembly in Abuja. Uche Kunife on a national assembly. If I'm on a national assembly, Stella do on a national assembly. Go to Enugu, Ike Kuremado no there, Chimara Kenaman no there, Chuku Taz no there. Why not take this complaint to federal government in Abuja? This road had go bad for more than 15 years. People now are for negodi. No, motor mad. No, now. Only we can hire pot. No, more about Kulo and Digo. No, I put a cigarette as a new cigarette maker and your make money. The masses are suffering. No. Look at the suffering in Anambra State. Nda basene Ibia Alabage. Ever brother like this, case can come to no camera one. Antonio, Nakunu Sitignalo, guys gonna on Tatialo. I have chosen a camera, one guy. Nigeria over, man who's on nature, Tignalo. That's not far chosen Nigeria again. One Nagodi Nigeria, I know the proud of. Oh, but don't worry. 60 years of nothing. Nah, man. Enough is enough. Brutality. Then also farmer intimidation. On your road safety system, can't let us have a tamu terrorism. See, I need no choose on Pebu again, one idiot. In on a potu, na number. Open in West Sense as a road safety personnel. Tell government to do the road. Canton go the Kina focus Anambra, the billionaires. You could talk Anambra second a phone where you go. Then Anambra State. Look at Anna, yeah, the express in Ifa. I think about state road, not federal road. Kebu state road, alo. Can you feed you people in a state assembly in Abuja Senate? Can you feed you people in a house of representative in Abuja? Can you for these people in alo? Nonsense. You go to Anambra State because. Okay, I need to protest. I need to come to Kasas. I end the gear. I get you the government. My senator Sanine, Loboda. You go to Anambra because. A lot of people might end up sleeping here due to poor governance. suffering in Nigeria. Some of us have appointments. We left our children at home to go and come. Look at the situation. And government of Nigeria, every year, trillions of naira, they submit to their rubber stamp assembly in Abuja. They will sign it and share the money. This is Anambra State. Of all people, they have more than 200 billionaires in Anambra State. They can never come together to fix Anambra. All they do is to share bags of money during campaign, to put one psychophant there. 2021, Anambra is going to poll. One day, I greet you. I greet you, brother. I know, I remember. Somebody who knows me saw me, but committing any crime. So I'm saying the truth. I want governor of Abia State to see me. Okay, see it. An idiot, a drunkard, certified drunkard, governor of Anambra State. If you are there, and no common Singapore, Buno Diona, and no Cambodia, Lao, Buno Diona, Anambra State. Can you imagine? You need to imagine. I've been working for 4 hours, going from Oka, revolution, Kennedy, after SARS, Chuba governor and senators. They're going to go Bododi. Funny enough, I need federal allocation, I need for IGR. Even then, Lucy, coming from state capital Oka, they're going to call it. People are stuck there. People are aimless. People are hopeless. People are as well helpless. They don't know what to do. I don't know. The solution is to end Nigeria. I don't know what they think. People should know what we want. I end this assassin. I think Enugu is in the hands of God. I think Willie is working. One more defend down. You see, their children are studying in America, in England, in Canada, in Australia. Hey, Jesus Christ, black people are irredeemable. They cannot reason. Martin Nanukanu will say that what makes you a human is not your Gucci bag or your mustache or not the edifice you live in. What makes you a human is your ability to reason, to articulate. I don't know. Good evening, sir. Look at the roads. I deserve very fun one day. Somebody is appreciating me there. At this point, people need a voice. People need people who are brutal, people who will say the truth, irrespective of what is there or who it affects, negatively or positively. This is Express, Anambra Enugu Express. They are the Express Road. Keife uche kunife stelo oduan ifanyo bana na National Assembly obiano. Enugu senators, what are they doing? You see? A lot of us are foolish. They're even fighting for them. Sometimes the people you are fighting for, they come to criticize you. People are used to suffering here. You know, man, some people shouldn't be alive. Some people, in honesty, shouldn't be alive. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. And when you know that the issue of billionaire is when campaign period, when it's campaign period in Anambra, all of them were interested in the government. Each one did will be another Anambra election is next year. It has to do with the billionaires. Yes, I'm telling you. This is the road. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Anambra put money in election in Southeast, if not the entire Nigeria. When it's time for election, you see nothing. You see Costaris. In Anambra, that will bring in billions of naira. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Thank you very much. We are still walking to Okozo from Oka. We've been walking for the past 4 hours. A lot of us are exhausted, but we need to go all the way. I've continued to tell our people they need to go all the way. Don't just come and talk and go. Go all the way. In my neighbor, I know best press. Now, some of us are Daddy, I've never best press before. If you go, no, Daddy, I've got never known that. What's the neighbor best press? Million Yamuna APC, and more basic in a PDP. Few months ago, you switch here. Obaseki now went to PDP. Yamu went to APC. These people have no plans for me and you. They have nothing, absolutely nothing. Some of you in Denmark, to Cuomo Morogo. Hey, German, you're just living there. Where you come from, where your parents came from, where you were born and bred and raised. Government. How many of us are brutal enough? How many of us are honest enough? How many of us are tough enough mentally to say this truth in the streets of Nigeria? If you know best press, Miri Brugo everything. Miri, so I tell you. If you got Miri, ask Miri boom mother self. Hey, Jesus Christ. You know, when we are protesting and SARS, and you could end Nigeria, end governors, end senators, all of them. And the Senate agent, I be a colleague, I will a ticket, but we don't want to see them again. This is pathetic. I've labored so much today. I must tell you, I have seen so much pain today. You can imagine me walking from Oka to Okozo. I'm still on my way. I am still going to Okozo with my foot from Oka. It's been past 4 hours and the middle is on but I told you that I'm going to get to Okozo. I will. Thank you very much. I'm going to come back very, very soon. Let me save some energy because let me continue. I'm going to see you real soon. Thank you very much wherever you're watching from. Those in Denmark, Germany, those in Nicaragua, Panama, Pakistan, those in South Korea, North Korea, Japan, China, Indonesia, those in Hong Kong, Vietnam, thank you very much. Philippines, I'm going to see you soon.